Okay, this is Sadie driving. Let's see what you got, girl. There she goes. Floor it. All the way. There she goes. Here she comes. Come on. Come on, don't stop now. Oh, she get off? Okay. Here she comes. Woo! Big shot. She's a big shot. There goes little Scotty. Make it big. Oh! Here they come. Who is this? Oh boy. Now that's sexy. That's sexy.
That was a shabby look. I don't like it. I don't like it at all.
Young.
Pulling it out, you know. I mean, is it banging bad?
Whoa, okay.
Here comes Scotty.
Wait.
What'd you pay for that?
Scotty, you getting on?
What did you pay for that truck?
Yeah, well, you're leaving.
Here we go.
Yeah, just jumps in the window. Go. Just jumps in the window. Look who's here.
Oh, man.
Hi. It's Oliver.
Oh, man. No, what is this?
Oliver.
All right, man. All right, try to pick something up, man.
Okay, stop. You got the two horses in the background. That's a good picture.
Smile at the camera. Look at the camera, Sadie and Pete. Camera.
What'd you do with your brother? You bailed again? Scotty! Scotty, there's the pig!
Look at the pig.
There's Oliver!
What's the pig say?
Oink oink!
Hey, what's that rat's name on Charlotte's Web?
Dave, what's the rat's name on Charlotte's Web?
No idea.
Yes, you do.
Yeah, everybody knows.
I don't know. I never watched Scar.
Yes, you did. I've seen you watch it 100 times.
Not anymore. I forget. I haven't watched it since I was like 4.
Yeah, that was like about a week ago.
Okay, me and Mac. This is Mac McKenzie. Went down. You got any injuries? Just your leg? We just dumped them. We dumped both of them. I got a little... I fell down there. Little something back there. You alright?
Yep.
Alright. We're lucky to be alive. We just pulled off on it. For God's sakes, man, get your helmet on. You alright? Yep. Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off, Mac. Shake it off. Alright, we're going.